Fusion is a nuclear process. It's a welding together of nuclei to form a new nucleus. It's bound together by the strong force. Now, the strong force is a short-range force. It's binding in nature, that is attractive, if you get the two objects close enough together. And close enough means they have to get within about the diameter of a typical nucleus in separation. But until they get that close, they feel the electric force. Now, the electric force, in contrast to the strong force, is a long-range force. Although it gets weaker with distance, nevertheless, it reaches out to any distance that you want to go. So, in order for this fusion to occur, you've got to get the particles close enough so that they get within the range of the strong force, and the strong force then overcomes the electrical repulsion and binds the thing together in a new nucleus. If in that process energy is released, left over from that process, you could use that energy in useful ways, to heat water, to turn turbines, to create electricity. And so it's a dream of people to be able to control a thermonuclear or a fusion reaction. I have here a little model that behaves like fusion behaves. There are no strong forces here. This is conjured up. It's a little model conjured up with magnets. But it has a behavior like the fusion process. Here are my two particles which I'm trying to fuse together. But you see, as they approach each other, there's a repulsive force. And so they don't ever bind together to form one object. They're repelled. This represents the repulsion of the electrical charge on positively charged nuclei as they approach each other. But if I make them go fast enough, and therefore get them close enough, then I will get within a range of the strong force, if they're nuclei, and they bind together, and that's what's happened in my little model. As long as the objects are not going fast enough to get close enough, they repel and stay apart. But if I make them go fast enough and get close enough, then they bind together to form one object which is stuck together. But they have to get close enough.